Dixie Garage. On this one, I'm just gonna put these little pre-cut, no water, no nothing, window tint things on my Jeep. It's called Tint Rebel. I was just browsing through Facebook the other day and it popped up on my feed, and I was like, I don't know about all that, you know, it kind of seems like a scam or whatever, but it was only like $100 for these 2 windows. So I figure I'm gonna give it a shot and see if it's worth anything. You know, it costs $100 to go get them tinted anyway. So if it sucks, then I'm just out $100. But let's see. Gonna be a honest, unbiased opinion, because I don't know this company. Never even heard of them before I saw their ad. So let's see what they got. Got it on both sides, and yeah, I mean, it's you know, it's only day one, so it's kind of hard to say. It was hard to get this line exactly how I wanted it, trying to wedge between this one and this one. This one I had to kind of pry up with a hook because I couldn't get the tint to slide under it. But I mean, you know, it took 10 minutes to do altogether for both windows, and I mean, it's ready to roll down and roll back up immediately. You know, normal tint, I think it's like 2 or 3 days you can't roll the window down. So, yeah. Yeah, overall, I mean, it's only day one, but I guess I'm going to have to say that's a good product right there. It is exactly what I expected. It looks good. So, yeah. Y'all go check it out, tintrebel.com.